Good morning. Welcome to my channel. And if you new to this and not true to this, welcome back. Welcome to my vlog series. So let me tell y'all what I got going on today. I am in the car, a little bit late, headed to Low Country Cuisine, my catering company. So today is Wednesday. Not sure what day it will be when you all see this vlog, but it's Wednesday, and I have we've got prep for a corporate client today going on. We have a wedding this weekend, so there'll be prep going on for that. And the scarf, let me tell y'all, had to lay this hair down because I have two important Zoom meetings for two chef appearances that I have coming up in August and September, and I'm super excited because if you've been following my journey, then you know that I've owned my catering company for 15 years, and I have been 100% in the daily operations. I am heavily involved in every step of the process of the catering company, and it has been my goal for the last probably 5 years now to take myself out of the daily operations. And what am I going to do to make a living once I'm out the daily operations? Well, of course, I expect my catering company to still make money and be profitable. Don't get it twisted. I just don't have to be there every day for that to happen. That's the goal. But what I want to do is make chef appearances. I'm working on a cookbook. I have my seasoning, a Dabaduya, which some of y'all already know. If you don't know, I'm gonna put the link down in the description. Excuse the jumping, y'all. I'm new to this vlogging thing, so I gotta get some equipment to hold y'all steady. Anyway, that's what I got going on today. So until I get my equipment to mount this here camera, then I gotta put y'all down so I can drive to work, because they're waiting on me to help finish up a new dish that we have on the menu. All right, see y'all at LCQ. Huh?
Brief.
Hello. It's going.
Busy morning.
Yes, very busy morning so far, and it's only been 45 minutes. Not me going overboard with the lotion, but y'all, this first meeting I'm having is with my YouTube content management team, and we are talking about content that we are going to film coming up. And y'all, we do a lot of overhead filming of my hands while I'm cooking, and I think I have developed a complex about not being ashy. So it was a great meeting. We got some good things established and fire content coming for y'all soon.
Filipinos in Seattle.
Hey Mandy, it's Jolie.
Hi Jolie, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. I just want to let you know Joanne is on this call here with us, and she is basically the creator of this event.
Hi, Joanna. How are you? Y'all, I am so excited about this opportunity. Well, I'm excited about all the opportunities, but I get to go present at the Texas Chefs Convention. And what's so cool is that they intentionally sought out women and minority chefs to present. Don't you just love it when your name is mentioned in rooms that you're not even in yet? And I get to talk all about the Low Country. I get to share some food with them. I can't wait till August to go to Oklahoma. And I appreciate you all for considering me for the opportunity. I'm looking forward to it.
Perfect. That'll be great.
Okay. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See ya. Thank you.
It's definitely less intense.
Is it? But is it?
I mean, it is for me. I don't know how you feeling right now.
Because I'm thinking I'm gonna do think I told you this. I don't know if I told you this. Pimento cheese on Texas toast and collard green wonton is what I'm gonna do. Yes, but I'm thinking, am I gonna want to be sitting in somebody's kitchen making collard greens? No. I want to bring it. Yeah.
Oh, you're driving, so.
Yeah, I want to bring, but I don't know what the rules are about that. Transporting. You know what I'm saying? Because pimento cheese is a South Carolina thing for sure, and collard greens is just Southern, and you know.
Louisiana style.
Behind the color purple, I noticed that you're wearing it. You've got the purple background.
I think I read that in your article. I forgot what it said though. There is a purpose, right?
Well, I don't know at what point in my childhood my favorite color changed from yellow to purple. It was yellow at one time. I think I heard that yellow does something to you mentally. Maybe that's why. So yellow walls and stuff. I don't know if y'all have ever done that. As a yellow car drives right by our window. But no, purple. I got drawn to purple at some point, and then I realized and learned that purple is a color of royalty. So when I found that out, I was like, okay, no wonder I was drawn to this color. And the great thing about owning your own company is you get to decide things, and you get to have people wear purple all the time. And it makes me happy. And they're always like, does everything have to be purple? Yes, all shades. Okay, y'all, this is the third meeting that I had today. I know I said I had two, but it was actually 3 meetings. But can we please stop for a moment so that we can touch and agree on this opportunity, because the deal is about 90% sealed. But you know what? I'm going to claim that 100%. When I get this opportunity, I get to go to the Low Country, to South Carolina, where I'm from, and I get to share all the history and the culture of the Low Country and the food. I get to curate the menu and some cocktails too. Y'all know how I am about my cocktails, but this will be my largest and furthest distance chef appearance to date. So hopefully I will be hearing back and getting final confirmation on this one real soon. So it was a great meeting, and when I get it, y'all going with me. I'm taking y'all. Like I said, I'm excited about this opportunity, and I think the purpose of our call here was to determine if you all thought that I would be a good fit for your event. So what are your thoughts?
I think that you have such a lively and vibrant vibe about you. I really love that, and I think that would go really well with our executives.
Hey, y'all. Okay, so let me catch you up. So last time I saw you guys, I think I was at LCQ, and I had a couple of meetings that day for some chef appearances, which is, like I said, everything's moving in the right direction for where I want to go next in my culinary career. So yes, for manifestation. So remember the wedding that we were also getting prepared for a couple days ago when I last saw y'all. I'm actually on my way to the wedding now. It is about an hour and 10 minutes away from my house in Royce City, wherever that is. But that's where I'm on my way to now. I'm going to take y'all with me to the wedding and show you a little bit of how we get down behind the scenes, and then we'll end the vlog there. So let's go. Well, at least I can say my ride out there to Royce City was a scenic one, and I made it to the venue just in time to meet up with the team, get the scoop on where we are with things, and to jump in and help out. Oh, Jorge. Y'all, I haven't seen Jorge since pre-2020. Jorge is the husband of our operations manager, and he works in the hospitality industry. So every now and then he comes and hangs out and helps us out. So hey, Jorge. So now Asael, my right hand, sometimes my right and my left, is catching me up, letting me know where we are in terms of the timeline and where things are. Everybody is doing what they're supposed to do. And if you ain't got you an acai, I suggest you get you one immediately. Okay, y'all, now that I'm all caught up, thanks to Asael, it's time for me to go into the dining room to see what the service team is up to. If I know Team LCQ like I know them, I know that they have the dining room looking amazing and getting ready for dinner. So it's time to get these salads plated up. It's time to prepare to plate up the dinner because we got like 240 hungry guests and vendors, because you know we got to take care of our vendor partners as well. So let's get to it. Watch us plate up. Okay, all done. Bride's happy. Mom of the bride is happy. Venue is happy. They want us to come and be one of their preferred caterers. They want us to participate in their open house. So all in all, I would say it was a success. So that's it. That's all. I'm headed home. The team is gonna wrap up and clean up. And that's the end of this vlog. I will see y'all the next time. Yeah, see you next time. Bye. Thank y'all again for hanging out with me for a couple of days. Now, remember to keep up with the journey and all the great recipes. You got to make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notifications so you never miss an upload. Remember to comment so we can chit chat down in the comments, and like the videos and share them with your friends too. All right, I'll see y'all next time.